Hi, my name is Austin Hertel, and I am a senior biology major and chemistry minor. One of the things that I do at Gannon is facilitate our COVID-19 testing program.
My name is Steve Mauro, and I'm the Vice President of Strategy and Campus Operations here at Gannon University. I'm also a molecular microbiologist with 20 years of experience working with pathogenic viruses. In all my time and experience working with viruses, I never thought I would find myself returning to the lab to develop a COVID test to support and keep our Gannon community safe during a global pandemic. Yet, that's exactly what happened. As Albert Einstein once said, "In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity." The opportunity that I speak of here is to involve our Gannon students in the COVID testing process. This type of safe, hands-on, real-world learning experience is what Gannon is known for. Students in biology, public health, medical laboratory science, and other majors we offer here at Gannon have the opportunity of a lifetime to be a part of such important work and research. How many undergraduate students nationwide can put on their resume that they were involved in laboratory work that tested thousands for the presence of COVID? Not many. As our students learn and dedicate themselves to a life of service to others, I've no doubt that this experience will help them and serve them well in their future career pursuits. As we all get through this pandemic together, I'm comforted to know that students like Austin Hertel, a biology major here at Gannon, and now COVID researcher, will be part of the next generation that will do great things that will help keep people safe and make for a better world. Please take a moment to listen to him tell his story. Thank you, God bless, and be safe.
Hi, my name is Austin Hertel, and I am a senior biology major and chemistry minor. One of the things that I do at Gannon is facilitate our COVID-19 testing program. What that looks like for me on a day-to-day basis is I run the PCR testing on the clinical samples that we receive to our laboratory at CERN. Since the samples that we're working with are potentially infectious, anything that we do with them is done under a biological safety cabinet. In addition to that, we're wearing all the necessary PPE required for this type of work, and that includes a lab coat, gloves, goggles, and mask. It was around June when I started to get involved, and by then Dr. Mauro was just starting to figure out how to set up a fully functioning COVID-19 testing lab as well as our sampling center. And thinking back at that time, there was really limited testing around the country, so what we were doing was unprecedented, and I really wanted in because to me it seemed like the best way to start getting ahead of the virus instead of chasing after it. No, I think it's important for me to note that I don't really consider myself a frontline worker, or would I do frontline work. Right now I have a cousin who works in the Erie hospital system, as well as my mom and my aunt who both work with really high-risk groups back home. And to me, those are the real true heroes on the front lines every day. And if anything that I do in my lab can take some of the burden off of people like that, then I'm happy just to do my part. About how Gannon has prepared me for this. Gannon's a community, and it's full of some really talented individuals. And if you get together a group of individuals like that, and they work together like they do here, then you're capable of some really incredible stuff. Now, that's not to say that we haven't had some serious challenges to overcome. We all have. This virus is relentless, but we are too. In the future, I still hope to be doing work like this. However, I hope to be preventing pandemics before they happen rather than fighting them once they do. The work I've done here and the experience I've gotten is invaluable. It's taught me how much work and dedication goes into an endeavor like this, and I've come out of it with some skills and some insights that I wouldn't have gotten anywhere else.